having a nice day. So it's been a while since I've done a video like this, but here I am to show you a roundup of the makes for the month. Now these videos have changed because normally I'm just making the makes on my own. I usually used to do a fabric haul and then I just return later the month with everything made up. But now I'm making the makes with you on our sew along. So if you're watching this and you have missed the fact that we are doing sew alongs where you can see me make some of the items that I'm about to show you, then check out our sew along playlist because there's loads and loads and loads, like over 100, it's crazy. So this is for January, although I am wearing something that we just did together on Monday. So this is actually a February make, but I figured you guys might like to see this one. So this is the cowl neck that we made together. It was super simple, and this fabric is something that we've got in stock of, and that's why I thought it'd be good to show you it now because we have this fabric in stock. So we've got it in black, charcoal and like a magenta colour, and this lovely forest green, which I absolutely love, and it's quite a nice colour for my colouring, this colour. So this is the first make, and then I've also got I'm also going to show you the Meredith, which we made right at the beginning of January. I've got my Jessie Coat and I've got my Selma Dress as well. I've not got anything else. I think I was going to potentially put in the Anderson blouse, but I haven't finished that one, and to be honest that is a February one, so I'll then do another roundup at early March of the patterns to date. So just keep tuning in to see them, usually once a month, so you can see what we've been making together, and you can actually see me standing up and seeing them in a bit more detail than what you can see when I'm on the Sew Along Live. So first make number one, I'm going to decide which my favourite is at the end. I haven't actually tried on all of these things, so I am absolutely loving this though. I've been wearing it this morning, and I just love the drape of this fabric. And I've got a Thea dress made out of it, and it's perfect. My Thea's black, I don't know if you've seen me in that, but it's this fabric. But I just think it's perfect for all of our kind of viscose jersey patterns, and especially this time of year because it's warmer. But the drape is really beautiful and makes it look quite expensive, so it is a fabulous fabric, and I'm going to try and keep it in stock to an extent. I might not be able to always have all the colours, but I think because I've stumbled on such a lovely fabric, I think it's something that we should have in stock for you guys as much as we can because it's so lovely. So first, I'm not doing them in order actually of when I made them. I just thought I've got a top and jeans on so I can pop my Jessie Coat on. So this is the Jessie Coat, which I have fallen in love with all over again. And I think the reason why is because the first version I made was too big for me, and also the fabric wasn't quite right. And this I absolutely love. So this is a kind of, it's a bizarre really blend because the fabric at the back, it looks a bit like a ponte, but it's actually a boiled wool blend. So it's got a percentage of wool in this fabric, and we've got it in silver and also charcoal. I managed to find it in. But it's actually quite a simple make, the Jessie Coat, and perfect for just throwing on. You could, I think, I won't wear this indoors because it has got that outside woolly fabric vibe to it, but if you made it in just like a really heavy ponte, then it would be a bit more indoor wearable. It's up to you, I guess. But this is one of our patterns that's now in the extended size range as well, so worth noting that you can get this in size 6 to 30 now. But yeah, really love it, and I know that you guys love this fabric because it sold out straight away, and then I had to buy some more in, and I don't know if I can get any more in from what I've got now, so if it's sold out I'm sorry, but we have got it in a darker grey. But yeah, so next up is our Selma dress that I made with you guys. I made the V-neck version. Coming in closer you can see the V-neck, which is really lovely, and I really like the kind of depth of this V-neck because I feel like it's the right kind of height. It's not too booby, but it's also not too high, which can get, I feel like V-necks, if they're too high, they can kind of look frumpy. So really happy with that. This fabric, now I can't remember, I know there's one of the versions, there's two versions of this fabric that are quite similar. There's furlough, and then there's another one which the name has escaped me, but yeah, I think this we do have some in stock of this, so of one of the varieties of it. They're very similar, and they've got it's a Roma Pontine. It's got a lovely structure to it, and you can see it's just holding that neckline really nicely. But it's also nice just to have a dark fabric in Roma Ponte that has got a print on it, so that it's got a pattern. Just makes it a little bit more special, and it feels this. My other Selma that I've got in our sweatshirting fabric, which is also fab, but kind of a bit more dressed down. And this I would definitely wear at the moment. I don't feel like it's too dressy, but it just feels a little bit more special. Hope that kind of comes across. But anyway, really easy make. I think, how much of it we did together? I think in the sew along we managed to get the neckline done, and then I finish off the sleeves, I think, and the side seams, but I did the kind of tricky bit on the sew along, so worth having a look if you want to see how to do the V-neck of the Selma. So last up is actually the first make for January, which is our Meredith dress, which I made out of this gorgeous Cygnus Return fabric. And the colour of this is gorgeous. There's a sort of a tealiness and warmth to the navy blue, which makes it really kind of a nice colour to wear and lift you. But yeah, really pleased, and I haven't actually tried this one on, so I'm really pleased to see it on. And I know I'm going to wear this quite a lot at the moment. So I'm pleased to have it in my wardrobe. So there we go, guys, 4 makes. We had the cowl neck top, we had the Jessie Coat, we had the Meredith dress, and we also had the Selma dress. And there's definitely some of this fabric left, and in fact I think I've actually discounted it a little bit, but there is some of this fabric left. So all the links to all the fabrics that we have, and I'm pretty sure we have most of them still in stock, there I will put them, or put them in the description box below so you can get your hands on them. But until next time, so I'll be doing obviously all my live sew-alongs, but you can stay tuned here on our YouTube channel to see also our new releases. So when we have a new release, I do a video of that as well, so stay tuned for that, because that will be coming out soon for our most recent pattern in February, and then live sew-alongs, and of course makes at the end of the month. See you soon, bye!